IKP Electronics CO, Limited, established in 2004, having about 260 employees, specializing in the production of choking coils, power transformers, and flat wire inductors, offering OEM and ODM services. Our core values are innovation first, quality-oriented, constantly refining, and customer satisfaction. Our Hefei headquarters factory, covering an area of 3,000 square meters, equipped with semi-automated production lines focusing on choking coils. We utilize semi-automatic winding, fully automated soldering, testing, and base installation. The Gogson factory covers 2,000 square meters and features automated production lines for flat wire inductors. We utilize fully automated winding, soldering, assembly, gluing, and testing for flat wire inductors. Automatic cutting flat wire. Automatic winding. Examine inner diameter. Upload magnetic core. Brush glue. Upload coil. Preliminary test. Automatic gluing. Tunnel furnace. Automatic shaping and cutting lead wire. The Nantong factory, covering 6,000 square meters, equipped with automated production lines for power transformers. We utilize fully automated winding, soldering, tape wrapping, assembly, gluing, and testing. All of our factories are certified with ISO 9001 to 2015, IATF 16949 to 2016, ISO 14001 to 2015, and ISO 45001 to 2018. All our products adhere to UL certification standards, recognized by the Industrial and Commercial Bureau. We are acknowledged as a high-tech enterprise, specialized refined innovative enterprise, industrial enterprises above designated sizes, and we take pride in holding our own invention patents. The cooperation between IKP and Anhui University brings more opportunities to research and develop of the power magnets components. In this laboratory, with these facilities, we could easily get the testing results to verify our design solutions, such as temperature rising testing, power loss testing, and insulation testing, etc. Our products find wide applications in photovoltaic solar energy, new energy vehicles, and industrial power supplies, contributing significantly to humanity's sustainable development. Thanks for watching.